are welcome back. Another subtopic I want us to treat now is finding a quadratic equation with given roots. That is finding a quadratic equation with given roots. You can kind of be given two roots to form a quadratic equation. So when you are given that root, let's say the root you were given is x equal to alpha and x equal to beta. So from here now, what you will do, the first thing you will do is you say x minus alpha equal to 0. And in this case now, x minus beta equal to 0. Since two of them are equal to 0, you break them together, you have x minus alpha and x minus beta equal to 0. At this point, you will use it to form a quadratic equation. The only thing remaining for you here is to expand this. And when you expand, you have x squared minus beta x minus alpha x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So in this place now, we have expanded this. We have expanded this. With this now, the only thing remaining now for us to collect like terms. For you to collect like terms, you have x squared minus open bracket. Because of the same law, since this one is outside, this one will change to plus. You have beta plus alpha x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So at this point, we have formed the quadratic equation. But for us to continue now, you know that this, we have x squared minus open bracket beta plus alpha x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Is the same thing, is equal to ax squared, or is the same thing as ax squared this c. Is equal to this. And since it's equal to this, we want to remove this a from where it is, because this x doesn't have coefficients. So you have this x squared minus beta plus alpha x plus alpha beta equal to, when you divide this by a, divide all through by a, you have x squared plus bx over a plus c over a. So at this point now, they are the same, because b over a x is the same thing now, the same sum we had initially, and the c over a is the product of this. Now you can equate them. When you equate them, you have minus b plus alpha is equal to b over a. When you divide by minus, because we don't want to see this minus here, you have beta plus alpha equal to minus b over a. The same thing applies here. you have alpha beta equal to C over A. In any quadratic equation, the first number with s square is A, and the second one is B, and the last one, which is a constant, is C. Then let's continue with an example I want us to solve. Let's continue with an example I want us to solve. If you are given a number like, sorry for the delay. If you are given a number like, say, 2x squared plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0, if you are asked to find the roots, if you are to find the roots of this quadratic equation, I'm not forming a quadratic equation, I want to find the roots. Later I will give you, or will also solve another one where we will form a root. Now if you are given this to find the roots of this quadratic equation, the first thing you will identify, you identify your A, which is the first one with x squared, that is 2. You identify your B, which is the second one with x, you have 5. You identify your C, which is minus 2. With this now from the formula, you have alpha plus beta, or beta plus alpha, equal to minus B over A, which is the sum. With this now, with this you have B, which is 5, equal to 5 over A, which is 2. We don't want to leave it like this. We will reduce it to a mixed fraction, which will give us two whole number, 1 over 2. The next one, which is for the product, will give us beta or alpha beta equal to C over A is equal to C, which is minus 2. Remember, this one's supposed to have minus, sorry. You have minus C over A, which is 2. Then this will divide itself. Minus 2 divided by 2 will give me minus 1. So alpha beta, which is the same thing as the product, is equal to minus 1. So in the next example, we will form a quadratic equation, which you will know how this kind of equation emanates. See you in the next video.